Hey, this is Scott with the 1970 Chevy El Camino Restomod. So this I have in the blue flow mode, and I'm in a pretty dark spot, but the camera's adding a little bit of lighting there. This has a pretty bright glow for a $140 kit called NightGlowe. Get some good reviews. It does have about 3-inch spacing on the LEDs, single LEDs, but again, the way the amount of power that runs through them gives it that nice color and nice pulsing. So it's not like some of the lower end LEDs where they're kind of spotty. This one has a nice continuous run. I'm pretty impressed with the kit. It's been fun. All right, I got some car shows to go to. Here's another view. You can see that pulsing wave. This is called a chasing mode. This is why a lot of people like this kit from NightGlowe, is because of that chasing mode. And then there's a bunch of different scenes and modes that you can do with pulsing different colors. It is an RGB kit, so it can play any colors, but I try to stay consistent with the blues. All right, signing out for now. See y'all later.